vehicle? Check out the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, backup camera. Come see the car for yourself.